Guys, I'm Johnny Scoville, and this is Chase the Heat. Big shout out to Alec from Bull City Pepper. I'm excited, from Durham, North Carolina. And Uncle Bullcow for getting this to me. I've had it for a little while. I'm sorry it's taking a while to get to it. It's pod season, kind of how it is. I'm shooting with my phone today, and all weekend I left my charger at work. I don't feel like going to get it. But here we go. It's beautiful. Golden Hurricane. Very, very cool label. Isn't that neat? I dig it. All right, so, boy, I'm going to need to, oh, you know what? I'm in trouble. I'm in huge trouble. I can't read the... I can't read the ingredients. I really can't. Where are they? Wow, man, it's small. Fatali peppers, red wine vinegar. Man, I can't read this. I'm gonna review it, but I can't read it. I feel bad. You know, here's the thing. The reason, normally I would use my phone, take a picture of the label and zoom it in. Only I'm recording on my phone because I have to. I know it's Fatali. There's some vinegar in it. The heat, I can see that. Sorry, you guys. All right. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good morning. There's garlic in it. I can tell you that. Oh, it smells. It's got a very nice aroma. I wish I could read the ingredients. Rats. I'm excited to taste it though. See the pour. Beautiful color sauce. Oh, I love the color of it. All right, guys. Bull City Pepper. Golden Hurricane. Johnny Scoville. This is Chase the Heat. Definitely getting some vinegar in it, but it's Fatali. There's a beautiful sweetness. I don't know where it's from. A lovely sweetness to it. It's a lovely sauce. I wish I knew all the ingredients. I can definitely taste some garlic and the Fatali. I have an avocado in the fridge. That's gonna be my afternoon snack. Lovely flavor. Now, as far as the heat, it's got a little kick to it. If somebody was a non-chili head and they use it really sparingly, they could enjoy this. There's a beautiful sweetness to it. I don't know if it's from either sugar or agave or something. Rats. I wish I could read it. The flavor is fantastic. It really is. Here's the deal. I like Fatali. It's a great pepper. This is a delicious sauce. It really is lovely. I'm sorry I can't read the ingredients to you, but I'd use my phone and I'm recording on it. Anyway, it's a lovely sauce. There's going to be a link in the description box below. So please check them out. I don't know what's in store for your day. I've got some great peppers I got from Brian Townsend. I still have some great peppers from Tom Broom. And more peppers on the way. It's pod season. It's super exciting. But there'll be some good peppers this afternoon. Hope you guys have a great day. Tell someone you love and be kind to somebody today. In the description box, you're going to see a link not just for Bull City Pepper, but also for Uncle Bullcow for getting this awesome meat. We love Uncle Bullcow. Even though he has given me cramps like you can't imagine, I love him anyway. So check him out in the description box. Right there is a pepper. Click it. You're on the bus. If you don't want to miss a video, click the bell for notification. Get your bus pass, live exclusive content on the bus pass. Please get that. It's $4.99. Hit the button that says tab. Right there is the Lifeboat, my brother Tommy's channel about victory over addiction and living a sober, happy, fulfilled life. Because it can happen. More videos here. I'm Johnny Scoville. This was Chase the Heat.